Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Have you ever wondered how a simple body oil can transform your skin from dry and dull to glowing and rejuvenated? Well, today I'm excited to share the Do Ritual Blue Tansy Triple Lipid Body Oil by FarmHouse Fresh, a product that promises to do just that. Let's break down whether this body oil is truly worth the hype or if it's just another product to add to your shelf. The Do Ritual Blue Tansy Triple Lipid Body Oil comes in a sleek 4-ounce bottle and is marketed as a luxurious, nourishing oil for all skin types. It promises to deeply hydrate and rejuvenate, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and glowing. The key ingredient here is Blue Tansy, which is known for its calming and antioxidant properties, making it ideal for sensitive skin. It's combined with triple lipids, those essential fatty acids, to lock in moisture and provide long-lasting hydration. You'll also find vitamin C in the formula, which is great for brightening and evening out skin tone. Now let's talk about the application. The first thing I notice when using this oil is how lightweight it feels. It absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no greasy residue. That's a big plus, as I don't want to feel oily, especially when I'm getting dressed right after my skincare routine. It's hydrating without being heavy, which is ideal for body oils, as you want something that'll penetrate and moisturize without lingering on the surface. The scent is light, floral, and refreshing, not overpowering at all, making it pleasant to use, but not something that'll clash with your perfume. In terms of real-world testing, I've been using this oil both in the morning after showering and in the evening to lock in moisture before bed. It's been a game changer for my dry skin, especially in the colder months when my skin tends to feel parched. I noticed my skin felt more supple and smooth right away, and after a few weeks of consistent use, it's visibly more radiant. The hydration also lasts throughout the day, which is impressive, especially for a body oil that doesn't leave a heavy, greasy finish. When it comes to pros, the texture of this oil is fantastic. It's lightweight, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave any sticky or greasy residue. It's also gentle enough for sensitive skin thanks to the Blue Tansy and vitamin C. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering, which is a huge plus for a body oil. As for the cons, I'd say the biggest downside is the price. It's definitely on the higher end of the spectrum for body oils. But considering the quality of the ingredients and how well it performs, it could be worth it for those who are looking for something more luxurious and effective. So, what about value for money? The Do Ritual Blue Tansy Triple Lipid Body Oil is priced higher than your average drugstore body oils. But it's not an outrageous price for a product of this caliber. If you're someone who loves luxury skincare and is willing to invest in your skin's health, this could be a great addition to your routine. It's rich in antioxidants and fatty acids, both of which are proven to nourish and protect your skin. In terms of comparisons, there are definitely other body oils out there with similar hydrating properties, but not many that contain Blue Tansy and vitamin C. For example, the Herbivore Botanicals Jasmine Green Tea Oil has a similar price point, but it's not quite as focused on skin rejuvenation and calming. This body oil feels a bit more targeted for those with sensitive skin, especially because of the Blue Tansy. If you're looking for a solid, hydrating oil that's also soothing and packed with antioxidant benefits, this is a top contender. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and the bottle's design is sleek and elegant. The dropper is effective and allows you to control the amount of oil you use, which is important for body oils. I also appreciate that it's in a glass bottle, giving it a more premium feel. As for longevity, I've been using it for a few weeks, and even with daily use, there's still plenty left in the bottle. This product should last a while, making it a reasonable investment if you use it regularly. Regarding customer support, I didn't have any direct experience with FarmHouse Fresh's customer service, but based on their brand reputation, I've heard they're responsive and helpful. FarmHouse Fresh is known for using high-quality ingredients and maintaining good customer relations, which is a reassuring factor when purchasing luxury skincare products. Now, if you're hesitant about the price, there are some alternatives out there. The Neutrogena Body Oil Light Sesame formula is a more affordable option that still provides solid hydration, but it doesn't offer the same level of luxury or targeted skin benefits like Blue Tansy and vitamin C. If you're simply looking for hydration, this could be a great option. But if you're after a more restorative oil, the Dew Ritual may be worth the splurge. To sum it up, the Dew Ritual Blue Tansy Triple Lipid Body Oil is an impressive product that lives up to its claims. It's lightweight, hydrating, and packed with skin-loving ingredients that leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and glowing. While it's on the pricier side, it's a great option for those looking for a luxury body oil that not only hydrates, but also nourishes and rejuvenates. If you're someone with sensitive skin or looking to pamper yourself with a premium product, this one is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Dew Ritual Blue Tansy Triple Lipid Body Oil, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.